Hi there, welcome back to Weto tutorials, and here's another quick tip for you. If you want to make a single slot in your 3D elements, you can use the slot command in the Machineworks tab. Clicking on this command, you have to select one of your components, and first things first, we will use the easy method. Click again, and now you have the options window where you can define the length of your slot. You can define the orientation, vertical or horizontal, the width, of course. You can set the position where you want to place it, transverse distance, so it's on an offset, or the length of the slot. It's a little bit wider now. This is the easy method. If you want to use another element, select target component, you have to choose this and select the plane which is intersecting your firstly selected component. And now, as you can see, you have another kind of slot, notch maybe. You can modify it as well. You can make it wider or even smaller if you want. This is another method, or we have a third one using a distance, define distance. Click on it and you will have to define somewhere using another element a distance. In our case, it's a 15 centimeters distance. Now make it horizontal and make it a little bigger. Yes, and yes, something like this. And you can do the same things as on the previous example. And this is how you can make pockets or slots in your 3D elements in Viskon 16.